Hello everyone, welcome to my UK3 services. In today's video, I'm come to prepare fried fish tomato stew. Yeah, you can eat with rice or anything you prefer to eat with your fish stew with. It tastes very yummy. So let me show you the ingredients: bell pepper, onions, fresh tomatoes. This is my fish. This is my oil, tomato paste, garlic, fresh pepper, ginger, rosemary and thyme, nutmeg, mackerel, sardine, Adobo, Vegetables Bouillon, fish season, shrimp Maggi, curry powder and flour. I'm come to use to fry my fish here. So let's start. This is the thing I'm going to blend it: ginger, garlic, rosemary, thyme and fresh pepper. I'm going to blend this one together. Add small water and blend until smooth. Pour it and put it aside. Okay, the onions is 4, so I'm come to blend 3. You cut it into pieces like this. Put into the blender and you take the bell pepper. You cut it into pieces. Please be careful with your hand. You add it to it. You add a little bit of water. You blend until smooth. Pour it, let be set aside, and you take the one onion left. You divide it into 2 and you cut one small. You slice one small and the other half you cut it big. So this is the big one. The first one is the small one. That's what you are going to use to start the stew. And this one, after I finish the stew, you add it to it. Yeah, you see. Let me show you. This one is small and this one is big. So that's supposed to look. And you take your tomatoes. You remove the seeds. I'm thanking my old subscribers and my old followers. May the Lord bless you. And if you are new here, you are welcome to my kitchen. Cut it into pieces and you put it aside. Now we are come to start the stew. Put the saucepan you are going to use on fire. Add your oil. Set the fire to medium-high temperature, please. And you add your slicing onion, the small one, not the big one. You add it to it. You stir it small, let it be fried small. You add your tomato paste to it. You stir that one too. Yeah. Stir it. You see the oil has changed. You see, it's not the way you start. So now you add your ginger, garlic, rosemary thing, that thing you blend it. You add it to it. You stir it. And you see everything has mixed nice. Add your fresh tomato now. Yeah, you add it also. Stir it 2 to 3 minutes. You add your blended onions, bell pepper thing. You add that one also now. You stir it. This water, I use water to wash the bowl, and that's why I'm adding it to it. You shouldn't throw the water away. It's good. You add it to it and you cover it halfway and let it be cooked. So you lower your heat now. I'm adding my spices now. So any spices you prefer to add with your stew, you can add it to it. And you mix all together. You mix it nice like this. Wow. You see, it's almost done. That's why you see the oil on top like this. So I'm adding my onion. Add the mackerel sardine. If you have any sardine there, you can add it. If you have tuna sardine, all those fish, because we are making fish stew, so any fish, a sardine you have it, you can add it. And it's ready to add the fish. The fish I have already posted the recipe there, so you can check on my YouTube channel or my Facebook page. Is there the way you can fry your fish for the stew. You fry that one, you take also it's very simple recipe, and you add it to it. You mix it gently like, and you check on my comment section. I'll post the fish recipe there, so you check it and you know how you can fry your fish to make your stew. So I'm adding my vegetable, carrot and bell pepper. Any vegetable you prefer to add it, you can also add it to it now, and it's ready to serve. Enjoy! Please don't forget to follow all my social media platforms. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the notification bell there, the same like Facebook and Instagram. Like it, comment and share it. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye.